Situated within the tropics, this fertile country produces an abundance of aromatic herbs and spices, as well as many varieties of delicious fruit and vegetables. It is, therefore, not surprising that Thais have developed a cuisine that rivals any in terms of variety and diversity. Vegetable staples include the eggplant, Chinese cabbage, choy sum, and several types of mushroom. Some of these vegetables were introduced in Thailand through the trade routes from India and China and have become an integral part of the Thai food culture. Bean sprouts are also often added to various dishes. The sprouts are actually newly germinated mung beans and are crisp and sweet. Lesser known vegetables to Western tastes include the snake bean, a versatile string bean that is extremely popular throughout Thailand. Like many vegetables, the snake bean has various names from different regions, and you may find them referred to as asparagus beans, long podded cowpeas, and the Chinese long bean. As well as the Indian-style eggplant, Thailand has its own eggplant varieties. These are cultivated in several colours and sizes, and although much smaller than the large purple aubergine we are familiar with, all are widely used in curries and stir-fries or dipped in sauces and eaten fresh. Spring onion, chives and mint are commonly added to lap, a sour salad with meat and chilli, or simply used as a garnish. Thai cuisine often features shallots, which are similar to onions but are considered to have a sweeter, milder flavour. Of course, another quintessential Asian ingredient, which is prominent in Thai cooking, are bamboo shoots. Shoots are used fresh or pickled and are usually sliced thinly, as they can have a woody texture, especially near the pith.